Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and like always, here is another cleaning video for you to get a ton of motivation to get up and clean something in your home. I hope you guys are all doing some fun activities or working out or doing something for yourselves, because being at home definitely gets a lot of us frustrated. So if you guys are doing anything, let me know in the comments so that way I know what you guys are doing and maybe I get some ideas. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so as you've seen there in the beginning, I started loading my dishwasher because I had a lot of dishes, and then I had to actually stop cleaning, and then we just kind of hung out, and then after that I started cleaning again. So that is why I started in my living room to kind of quickly just pick it up, because I had just recently cleaned it really well. And then we are gonna start cleaning this dining area, and then we're gonna head to the kitchen. I recently did 2 spring cleaning videos, so if you haven't yet seen them, I will link them down below in the description, so that way you guys can go check it out. I did a lot of deep cleaning in those 2 videos, and I think I'm going to be posting 2 to 3 videos a week for right now that my kids are on this big, break from everything that's been going on. And one is gonna be like no voice, just music, and the other one I'll post with the voiceovers. I've been cleaning like a crazy woman. Actually, I'm finding it very therapeutic. Like, I wake up, I'm cleaning, my kids are up, they do something, I start cleaning. Like, I don't know, it's just very therapeutic for me right now. So me just cleaning my house is like really relaxing. If I feel like I need to go outside, then I do go step outside for a little bit, because just being inside also can become very overwhelming. So don't forget to turn on the bell so that every single time I post a new video, you guys get notified. And if you're new and you like what you see, then I hope you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, so I think I talked a little too much, so now let's get back to the video. So now look at this pantry, everything's just been shoved and thrown in there, and so it's very, very messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and I know in the end it's gonna look kind of like the same, but trust me, it is much more organized and clean. guys don't already follow me on Instagram, then go ahead and follow me. I always leave that one linked down below as well. That way you guys can check out my stories and what I post. I am on there every single day now. So for all you mommies out there, what time are you guys studying with your kids? I find that in the morning, like after breakfast, I'll sit them down on the table and we'll start doing work because I feel like they're more calm right when they wake up. So I take advantage of that and I sit down with them. I did it all last week, and this week it was supposed to be their spring break, so I'm not gonna give them any work this week. I'm just gonna let them enjoy it. But for sure, starting next week again, I'm gonna get back on it. It's actually very fun. If you guys need ideas of like activities or anything fun to do with the kids, Pinterest has a ton of little things that you can just look at and just with whatever you have really kind of work with it, and that's what we have been doing. And I just wanted to say, guys, whether you're a mom or a dad and you're just staying home because, you know, with everything, and just know that being home with your kids and just doing it all, cleaning, cooking, doing homework with them, keeping them busy, don't forget to take care of yourself. Do one thing, you know, for yourself. Maybe sit down and watch a movie, or I don't know, work out, or bake something that you like. Just do something for yourself every day so that you don't become overwhelmed or frustrated, because I know that happens a lot to a lot of us. So just don't forget that. And lastly here, guys, I am going to be disinfecting my walls, my doorknobs, handles, anything that my kids are touching down this hallway. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It lets me know you guys are enjoying my videos. And I hope you guys subscribe. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you all so very much. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.